All, welcome to the Security Tube Linux Assembly Expert course and certification. Now in this video, we will do the GDB analysis of the Execve shellcode created using the stack method in the previous video. So let's jump right in. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the execve-stack binary which was created in the previous video. And just to jog your memory a bit, this goes ahead and spawns a bin.sh shell. Now let's go ahead, use GDB, -tui option, give it execve-stack, set the disassembly flavor to Intel, break on start, and run it. Let's lay out the assembly. There we go. Now I'd like to trace the stack as we progress through the program. So I'm going to define a hook stop, and let's say the last 5 items on the stack is what interests me. There we go. And now we can step through the program. So the first step is XORing RAX. This is pretty much going to result in RAX becoming 0. Now after that, we are just going to push RAX on the stack, which is basically the very first step. Just to jog your memory, we can go back to the last video's presentation, and there you go. We push in the null first, 8 bytes, and this is really what is happening in here. Now after that, we are basically going ahead and loading RBX with the string bin sh, but in reverse order. Now we are going to go ahead and push this on the stack. There we go. So as you can see, this is really bin sh, and we can verify this by doing an x/s $rsp, and you would actually notice that /bin//sh has been put on top of the stack just as we desired, right? So really this is what is there after the null. Now the idea was that RDI would end up referencing this string, which is really what we are doing in the next step. RSP gets stored into RDI. So you can just do a step I, and there we go. Now after this, what we wanted was to push another null, and hence we are doing a push RAX. And if you closely look on the top of the stack, you would notice that now another null has been pushed. After that, you have bin sh, and then the third null, which is really this entire layout. Now we want RDX to reference this, which is what we do in the next step, which is move RDX RSP. And then we really want to push this address on the stack, which is now held in RDI. So pretty much that is nothing but a push RDI, and there we go, right? So really, if you pick up this address and go ahead and print it as a string, you would get back /bin//sh. The other way is really you do an xxg, 2xg, put this address in here, and this is nothing but your argv array, right? Now finally, we are going to go ahead and store this into RSI. And then after that, we have the syscall, which would invoke bin sh. So hopefully now with GDB, it is really very clear how we set up the stack from high memory to low memory, have the different registers address different memory locations, so that we can eventually call execve with the right arguments, right? Fantastic. So I'd highly recommend trying this out with GDB, simply because this will ensure that the concept is crystal clear in your mind. That's all I have in mind for this video. If you're enjoying your time here at Pentester Academy, please do recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.